Very good morning, children. Now, welcome back to the third part of the chapter, that is managing files and folders. So, now today we are covering three topics, that is deleting a file folder, restoring a file folder, and sorting a files folder. Okay, so now let us start from the first topic, that is deleting a file folder. So, children, in this topic, as we know that you can delete the unwanted files or folders from your computer system. So to delete a file and folder, follow these steps. Okay, let's start. First, select the file and a folder you want to delete. Okay, then select those file and folder which you want to delete. Next, click on the organize button and then delete option. Okay, and select the delete option from the drop down menu. When you click on the organize button, there is a drop down menu will appear, and from there the delete option is given. So just select this delete option and a message box appears to confirm the deletion. When you select on the delete option, there is a one more box will appear to confirm the deletion. Then select yes to confirm, and you will find that the selected items or a file or a folder that has been deleted. Okay, for an example, children, look at this window. This is the window for deleting a file folder. So there is a some folders are given, that is name books and IT apps. So if we want to delete any of them, then what we have to do, first we will select one which you want to delete. Suppose we want to delete this folder that name is books. Okay, then we select it, and after selection we just go there. There is a organize menu. When you click on this option, there is a drop down menu will appear. Okay, and then select the delete option from the drop down menu. When you select this delete option, there is a one more box will appear to confirm the deletion. This is the another window box which is asks you to confirm the deletion. So just press yes option. Okay, select yes to confirm, and then you will find that the selected file and folders has been deleted from your computer system. Okay, one more thing, children, if you want to delete any files or a folder for permanently, then what we have to do, first there is a two option. First one, you just click on the recycle bin. You just go there and delete the files from this recycle bin. Okay, so this files are permanently deleted from your computer system. And the second one, there is a shortcut menu that shift plus delete from your keyboard. Just press shift plus delete to delete all the files and folders permanently. Okay, now come to on the second topic, that is restoring a file or folder. Now today's second topic is restoring a file and a folder. So what do you mean by restoring file and folder? Restoring means to put something back into its former condition or a position. So children, if the files or a folders which are deleted, that can be restored to the original location. Okay, so to restore a deleted file from the recycle bin, just follow these steps. First, we will click on the double click on the recycle bin folder. Okay, and then select file and folder which you want to restore. Then click on the restore this item option on the toolbar, and one more option, right click on the file and folder you wish to restore. Then select the restore options from the context menu. The selected file and folder disappears from the recycle bin window and gets restored at its original location. Just look at this picture, look at this image. There is a recycle bin. This is the recycle bin option. Just double click on it, okay, and then this window will appear, and there is a some folders and files are given which you want. Then select one of them which you want to restore. For an example, if I want to restore this file, then just click on it, and there is a two options. One is restore all the items. It means it restore all the content of the recycle bin, and this one is only restore the selected items. Okay, so this one is a selected item. You just select this item and click on the restore option. Selected restore option, and you just see that items will disappear from your window. It means that folders has been restored. Okay, now children, today's third topic is sorting of files. Sorting means sorting the desktop items, means arranging them in a proper order. Okay, so Windows lets you sort the files by name, size, item type and date modified. So children, sorting helps us in easy retrieval of the required files. So there are 4 ways you can sort a list of your files. First, that is name. Second, that is size. Third, that is item type. And fourth, that is date modified. So from let us start from the type of name. So name, it means selecting these options, order files alphabetically by file name. Second, size, that means arrange the files in descending order of the file size. Second, item types, it means that groups the files based on their type. Okay, and the fourth one about date modified, it means that if you organize files according, when you files organize according to the date, these were last modified. Okay, so for example, let us sort the files in the alphabetical order. Let's sort us. So first what we have to do, we will right click on the blank area of the desktop, and then the shortcut menu will appear. Point to sort by option and click the name sub option, and the icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. So now just have a look. Look at this blank area of your desktop. Then what we have to do, if we want to sort the files in the alphabetical order, first we will right click on the blank area of the desktop, and then there this context menu will appear, shortcut menu. Now we will click on this option, that is sort by. When we click on this option sort by, there is those 4 ways. You can see these are the 4 ways with the help of you can sort the list of your files. So if we want to sort our files in the alphabetical order, just we click on the name option. So look at these items, these are the folders and the items on the desktop. It will change when we select the name option. Have a look. Yes, it will change when we select these items according to the names. Okay, so same as we also do if we want to change the items sort by according to their sizes. Okay, so it means that group files based on their sizes, the files arrange in the descending order of the files. When we click on this size option, these files will arrange according to their size. Okay, so children, this is all about the sorting the files. You can sort your files in your proper order as you want, as you required. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, and stay at home and be safe and keep studying. We all are with you. Thank you.